Cadillac stopped racing the previous generation CTS-V in 2007. So we raced the car from 2004 to 2007. We won 2 championships, amassed the most wins of any manufacturer during that time. Cadillac took a couple of years off because they knew they were going to introduce the new CTS-V.
We're excited to be rejoining the World Challenge DT and about the fact that we'll be introducing the CTS-V Coupe to that series.
When you think about it, what better place to take a high-performance luxury vehicle like the CTS-V than a racetrack? It's really its natural environment.
Well, I think the fact that GM originally built the car and Pratt & Miller's making the race car makes it special.
That relationship between all of us at GM and Pratt & Miller, it is a seamless team. I feel good, I feel confident, everything's under control. I just know it's going to happen and it's going to be great.
There are unique stresses and rigors in racing. We specifically have to design the car that was originally designed for good ride comfort, good safety, durability of 100,000+ miles. So we have to take that car and now we have to maximize performance of the car. And we're flat out for 1 hour to start. So there's no rest, there's no pit stops. So we have to make sure the car is designed reliably, it's durable to compete with other cars and make the finish line first. The design process that we go through of turning a production CTS-V into a CTS-V race car to compete in the World Challenge Series really starts out on the computer. We use a lot of simulation tools for vehicle dynamics simulation. We literally run thousands of laps in the computer to optimize the suspension, the engines. We have a computer-generated wind tunnel, which we call computational fluid dynamics, where we measure the aerodynamic properties of the car. So we can virtually engineer and evaluate the performance of the car in the computer before we start manufacturing parts.
The CTS-V Coupe is absolutely a beautiful production vehicle on the road. Very sleek, it has an amazing roof line, great proportions. The design team just did an amazing job of bringing that spirit to life in the race car.
It's important to keep the production look for the CTS-VR. It has a wing on it, it has a front spoiler on it, but the basic car is pretty much Cadillac CTS, and that's important for the fans. They know it's a car like theirs that's out there running.
They're connected, one is related to the other. And then the things we're going to learn on the track from how we perform will help us develop the next CTS-V Coupe to make it even better for the road.
Cadillac's back.
My expectations are big, but I have no doubts that they're going to be met.
A lot of people have been working really hard on this thing to get it where it's at, and we can't wait to get it to the track.
Here we go, watch for leaks, everybody.